Good morning, my people, and how una day today. So I want to welcome you all in day 7 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days. Of course, we all know that we are doing a 90-day challenge of saving and investing every single day for a period of 90 days, which will last for October, November, and December, and we are going to be cashing out our money by January 2026. Okay, so I am making this video to serve as a reminder or notification to know if you have done your own saving for today. Okay, if you have not done that, go ahead and do it right now. I can't be making this video for fancy, right? So let me know if you have saved in the comment section by typing "I've saved today." Okay, if you have not started, let me know the reason why you have not started. Okay, if you are confused, you don't know your whereabouts of getting started, let me know in the comment section. For me, Omo, I've already saved my own using this platform called Cowrywise. As always, you don't need to make use of the same fintech platform that I'm making use of, which is Cowrywise. But if you wish to use the same one I'm using, of course, go ahead and do it. You can choose any other fintech platform of your choice, okay, like Opay, Pampay, Cowrywise, even Money Point. Okay, yes, just go ahead and choose a particular one and start your own challenge, right? Now, in case this is the first time you're coming across this challenge, I wouldn't want you to feel like you are too late to join the challenge. I want you to start today. Yes, you are never too late. I want you to start today. As always, because I keep on giving you the bonus tip that is going to keep you consistent. And what are the bonus tips? Because I have two, right? The first one is cutting down on your expenses, and the second one is automating your savings. Okay, so in case this is the first time you are listening or you are hearing about these two tips, the first one, which is cutting down on your expenses, will be the way you spend things. You really need to reduce that, because most of us are spending like a thief. I'm sorry to say that, but that is true. Okay, so if you can be able to save, that means you have to cut down on your expenses, because if you can be able to have money, then you can be able to save, and if you can be able to save, then you can be able to invest. Okay, so cut down on your expenses. And then another thing that is going to also keep you consistent, aside cutting down on your expenses, is going to be reducing the amount you are going to be saving. All fingers are not equal. That I'm doing 1,000 every single day does not mean that you must also do that same 1,000 every single day. If your capacity to be able to stay throughout the challenge is you saving 500 every single day for the period of that 90 days, then go ahead and do it. If it is 200, 150 that you can be able to do throughout the 90-day challenge, then go ahead and do it. But if you feel like you have enough money, right? Yes, you have enough money that you can be able to save 5,000 every day, 100,000 every day, 200,000 every day, even 1 million naira every single day, then go ahead and do it. Okay, yes. So is there any other thing? Okay, automating your saving is another tip on what to keep you consistent. Yes, because if you automate your saving, it is going to be doing that automatically, seamlessly, without you even knowing. The only thing you are going to be getting is a debit alert. So when you check the debit alert, I get debit alert too. For where? For where be that? So when you check the analysis of the debit alert or the description, you are going to see that it is the automation that you made so that it will be debiting the amount you want to be saving every day from your local bank account down to the fintech platform you are making use of. So this can even happen when you are sleeping. So with this, it will keep you consistent throughout the 90-day challenge, right? Yes. So if I've gotten to this point, let me know by clicking the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you are getting in this channel. Okay, and then I would personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash on that subscription button. But don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button, because it is always going to notify you anytime we drop informative video just like this one you're watching. Then in case you are looking for more ways to earn money, or more ways your money can make more money for you, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. And I'm definitely going to see you on the other side. Keep winning as always, and remember that video loves you. And until when I'm going to see you on the other video, we go again tomorrow, comrade. Bye.